Hi, I'm coming. You see, we already put charcoal A, charcoal B, charcoal C, and the bamboo, and the this Indonesia make, and this shisha. Okay, all is here in the aluminium. When they finish, we will see the ash. Okay. Also, we can see now, no problem. Also, we take this one. Okay, and you see the ash. Okay, this is ash a little. This is a B. Okay, ash a little more, and this. More, right? A little more, a little more, okay? More than this, okay? And the bamboo, okay? Oh, let's see, bamboo is really big, really more, okay? But burning time is similar. This is problem is, but the price is not the same, cheaper, more. So somebody they will buy bamboo, also can working and good price. And this is okay, you see, also a little, right? And this is scissor. Okay, you see, this is scissor. And this is in another brand, this brand, and this brand, and this brand, okay? And this is A. I will call it China quality A. So we will feel same, or maybe China better, I feel, maybe. Somebody they will see, the ash not done, okay? We try again, okay? Okay. Same. Not too much, right? And this also not too much, right? Okay, and we stop and we waiting how many hours they finish, okay? But we need to see the color, right? The color like this, a little black. I feel a little black. This one also a little black, and our quality more white, right? Okay, you see the day about half hours, and all charcoal in ABC bamboo. Okay, we waiting. Okay, my English is not really good, so you will hear so many. Okay. Hey guys, long time no see. About 1 hour passed. Let's see, Caesar. Oh, sorry. This is not this big size. This is small size. This is this size. Oh, I forgot that. Okay, I made mistake. Okay, let's see. The ash, you see. Okay, let's see this. You see the ash. Okay. You need to feel that. This is bamboo. You see, bamboo already also have, but become small, right? But I think 1 hour no problem. This is coconut seed, Coconut seed. Better than bamboo because you see the size. So will better, really good, better than this, okay? But I feel not good, not really good, okay? And this is coconut B, okay? More ash, but this is more ash. This is little ash, and this ash more than this, more than Indonesia make, right? And let's see this plain quality A, okay. Let's see. More, not more. Okay, we cut. Okay, not too much. Hi guys, I need to make three video. But we will mix together. Okay, so let's see. Now this data is 1 hour 10, and we see the charcoal. Okay, we need toms. Let's see again. This is A. This is B. Okay, more small, right? More small, but still have. Okay, this is B. No, this is C. Okay, sorry. This is C. Why I need this? This is really important. If without this, the charcoal will cannot touch the air and will all black, cannot burning. Okay, let's see the black. No, the bamboo. Okay, still have, right? It's more powerful, right? More powerful and cheaper. And okay, let's see this. This is Indonesia make. High quality, right? Long time burning. A little bigger than plan A, right? But price a little high, right? And this price is too high, super high. And you see the quality. Oh, I forgot it. This is big size. This is big size. This is this size. Okay, let's see. This is big size. This is small size. So we cannot thinking this price, this quality is really good because this is big size. Okay, this is small size. You see? Oh no. This here, this size. Okay, I made mistake. Let's see the size. Let's see the size. Their size look similar, right? Look similar. So last video we will see how many hours they all finish. Okay, and we waiting. Hey guys, we talking about this one again. Okay, we see the time already 1 hour 14 minutes. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we check again. How many hours they can burning? Okay. This is still have. Okay, but we can see it's finished. Okay, too small, right? Okay, we see also have, but just edge more, right? You see this size and this this bigger, right? This bigger, this more small, and this more bigger. Okay, and we see this. This is not have. Okay, this is finished. This is C. Okay. Bamboo. Finish. Bamboo finish. Okay. And let's see. This is big size. I'll remember this is big size. How big? Let's see. A little big, right? A little big. Just a little big. If this is 22 size, maybe same, maybe. Or small, maybe. Okay, we see scissor. We see scissor is really small, right? Let's see this size. Which one is bigger? Oh, come on. It's over, right? They are same. I feel they are same. Right? Okay. And we see the ash. We see the ash like this, right? And we see, okay, we see this ash. This is a big size. Remember, big size. This bamboo is too much, right? This is coconut C, more, and coconut B and coconut 8. Okay, we see this A. Okay, we see this A, and we see again. Similar, right? Which one more? I feel same. There's maybe this a little, right? Okay, finish. Thank you for watching my video. 感谢大家观看素颜就为您呈现水月视频，拜拜。